Okay, so this is the third part of the video showing the executable for the Unity project as well as the Unreal project here. I'm running this in Linux, so it's not exactly just a .exe file. The final game in Unity outputs into an x86-64 file, and then the Unreal project I'll show up here does it builds it into a .sh file, so I'm just considering that my executable. So I'll launch the Unity one first and then I'll go into the Unreal. So start with Unity. So run it, load up the game, executable, we're in the game. Same thing as before, different levels, they work. Um, the quit button's a little wonky. I actually just realized why it's like that. I was messing with the scaling and size of the buttons and like where they are because I was moving over to my laptop because I thought we were doing this in class. So that's adjusted for my laptop, not my desktop. So apologies there. So yeah, here's the executable. It's working. We can close that real quick, wherever it's at up here. Okay, it's that one. Just close it, and then we will run the Unreal one. I'll probably got this. Let me just make this. There we go. It should run. Full game. Start. Hit play. And then we're in the game. Run around. Here we are. Pause menu. Start menu. Play. Go into the obstacle course. Here we are, next level. The frames on OBS I'm looking at are pretty bad, but sorry if it comes out that way on your end. But yep, here we are in the game. Key, we can restart. P, start menu. Play, go over to the Race for Your Life map. Here we are, losing health. And yeah, that's about it for the executable files. The executable files work. I was able to successfully build them. Thank you.